this is a generic install video for ClearVU. Our product fits on a wide variety of vehicles. We just happen to be installing on a Ford Raptor R today, but the principles of installing a product are the same. So the first step is going to be to locate the wiper fluid reservoir. So on this truck, it's right up here on the passenger side. And from there, it'll help you locate the hose that we need to tap into for the ClearVU system. Okay, so now that you've located the hose that you need to tap into for the wiper fluid system, you can run the line through the frame. So the way we normally do this is with an electrical fish tape, and we already have it running through the frame. We have this attached to the wiper fluid hose on the opposite end, and we're ready to pull this through the frame. You can also just zip tie the hose to a safe point under your truck. If you decide to use a fish tape, push the fish tape through the hose about 1 foot, and then use electrical tape. And don't be shy when attaching the fish tape to the hose, because you don't want this coming apart in the middle of the frame. From there, you can pull the fish tape on the front side of the truck. So from here, now that you have 3 or 4 feet sticking out of your frame, you're gonna route it up towards where you need to tap into the OEM wiper fluid. An important note is to stay away from any moving components such as your A-arms or hot objects such as exhaust. We'll go ahead and pull this up towards the OEM wiper fluid hose. Next, we're going to install the shutoff valve that's provided in your kit. So next, pull the hose out of the hole that your wire loom comes out towards the tailgate. Remove your tailgate latch assembly. Most of these are going to be held by 2 10 millimeters. Go ahead and remove all the electrical connections on the light, latch button, and camera. The next step will be to drill a hole in your tailgate latch housing using the template that comes in your kit. Depending on if you buy the kit off our website or from a distributor, you may need to select the correct template from the packet of multiple templates that come in your kit. To do so, use the QR code on the card included in your kit that will route to our website with a drop-down menu. From there, select your vehicle to determine the number template you need to use for your vehicle. It's recommended that you put tape where you need to drill the hole, align the template, and then mark the hole. From there, use a punch or something similar to make an indent at the center of the hole location. All right, next you're going to need to drill a hole at the marked location. We recommend using a step drill, and the hole size is 5/16. After you drilled the hole, be sure to clean it up on both sides and install your sprayer. Be sure to point the spray nozzle towards the camera lens. Install the nut on the back of the sprayer. You will need a 1/2-inch socket to secure the nut. Next, we're going to take a short section of hose and install it to the sprayer. And then take your check valve and install that to the other end of the hose. Be sure to have the arrow on the check valve pointing towards the sprayer in the direction of flow. Next, you can reconnect all the wires for your camera, lights, tailgate button.